So cute. Let me say, like, are you of all person that really rob me? I smell like walnut. Guys, I'm a grandma. Well, I don't want grandma already, but I have more grandkids now. So my baby had a baby. Well, she had 3 babies. I don't know if them are she or ram. Well, she yes, me I talk about you picking them. Yeah. So she had 3 babies, but only have 2 leave back because one of them I think walk out of the yard or something like that. There's one of them where they real frisky, where they continuously just run up and down about the place. And then the day when I went to Westmoreland and we came back, only saw 2. Can't find the next one. Say hi. Say hi, grandbaby. I guess Sharon go for her sister, brother, or whatever. Brother, the upper Zusi. Let me go see me can video. So the other one here. So she run good. Well, what may I say she? The baby run go to its siblings. I tell the siblings to me record. Yeah. So one bigger than the next one. One tiny. When I run go. Say hi. Say something. Say me. Something. Say something. When I say nothing. Then cute though. I'm sorry say anybody threw them there. So yeah, I'm a mother and I'm a grandmother. I'm a grandmother with more grandkids. Because big woman they're my first grandpenny. Yeah. Say bye, babies. Say bye. You see him I eat leaf already? She or he? I eat leaf already? Look there. All I climb up. Oh my gosh. The things that them did just born the other day. So cute. You run go back down here, mommy? You not go down here, mommy now? Go on down here, mommy too. The one you not run up and down as much as the other one. So guys, those are my beautiful grandkids. Them cute though. Yeah, I buy goat and say I'm gonna breed them up and sell the goat them, but I just can't do it because I keep on I get attached. Keep on I get attached. I don't know how people do it. Oh no, raise goat and then end up sell the goat. We not just feel on way when it's supposed to let go the goat. I just can't do it. Yeah. Even the one walk out of the yard, I pray say for somebody have this little kid. And actually I take very good care of the kid and please don't nobody kill him and I sell him. Just raise him up as one little pet, alright? Well guys, I go up on the road now. And I see this bag for my shoulder having clothes and this a bag having some little water bottle. It's like my new weekend normal now. I have to go up on the road, catch water and wash my clothes them. That's what my life has come to. I know what clothes I have to wash though, but I don't want the dirty clothes to pile up on me. So your girl got to do this. And as usual, I run back at time. So I go pause the video and hurry up and go back up at the place. One of these see me last weekend. Guys, when you want to show me ball plate, let me know I'm telling about a fly around the yard since hurricane Melissa mash up them house. But every time I take up the camera for record them, they do so zoom like them so fast, so fast. But I still gonna try to catch them so they can see them. But yeah, let me turn and go about my business. And people are driver come, they might probably wonder if I'm crazy. I talk to myself. One evening, I walk. I need to find a video call. A lady asked me if I talk to myself. I'm like, no, I'm on a call. Like, I'm kind of crazy, but I think I'm not crazy. It not go. But yeah, I just laugh it off, and the person on the phone just start dead with laughter. When I was in the street, she put on the phone, but she's still there walking and talking and move slow. Let me pause this thing. Guys, so I reach up at the place. So I'm to my Friday, I just remember. So I say I go pause and tell you yesterday I take one taxi and I was in a rush. The fare did a 150, right? I know somebody have one hard 5,000 in my purse, so $50 and $100. So I take out the $100 and give the driver and what I thought was the $50, but it accidentally be giving me 5,000. I sit down at the front of the car. Luckily, there was this lady who the song back of me is like, she there watch me I do. So when I come out and walk on, she come stop me and I say, no 5,000 I give the driver, and I check. My 5,000 I really give this man. And then she said to me, say, you realize that 5,000 I give him now? Because I see how I look for the money. I walk back and I just go take my money from the man. Because guess what, guys, this is somebody who I know. He could have hung the horn and he could have called out my name. And I said to me, say, you accidentally give me 5,000. This is somebody who I know. This is somebody who I help out so many times. Like, me just so freaking disappointed. Like, so disappointed. I mean, I say, like, are you of all person that really rob me? I mean, help you so much. Me know you, we talk. Like, if I see that money again, I know what I care, I know what he said, nothing to me, nothing at all. Like, some people disgusting, you know? So disgusting. Like, if Indy really want 5,000, like, in one situation, but you really need some money, like, him could have did ask me. Like, anybody who know me know, say, like, me as somebody who, if you need help, I'm in one situation and I can help you, I'm gonna help you. I know say if you rob me that 5,000, only thing I have left back in my purse for the rest of the day at the $50 I'm supposed to give him. Like, me I laugh now, but yeah, that alone with I left back in my purse. It's me say, some people disgusting, you know? So freaking disgusting. Like, why you do something like that? But you see that lady there where stopped me and point out, say, 5,000 I give to the man. Like, thank you. Like, yeah, good Samaritan, and thank God she did pay attention to me that I do. Yes, sir. Like, you know, so me go to him. I go to him and then I go to him. Like, me there go just make it go up, but I think I go to him. I go to him and I tell him saying disgusting, I'm disappointed, and I what he do. I go to him. Initially, I go just avoid him and I stand up, but I go to him and I go say something to him. Yeah. Disgusting. I'm going to put my clothes in for wash. Yeah. Liquor ranting. When you check on the money, when I give people, some people disgusting. You make one little mistake like that and them gone with your money. You know, say, I want a second 5,000 incident that. Because one time, you know this cafe beside Nutsert Express in New Kingston. One time I go in there and I take out my 5,000 and how much did I buy? I think it was a sandwich and a juice. I don't remember exactly what I buy. I don't remember. But anyways, a 5,000 or a 2,000. I don't know one of them money there. Either 5,000 or 2,000. And I give the lady the money. I think a 5,000. I give the lady the money, guys. After I give the lady the money, the lady come back with one little bit of change and give me. So I said to her, I say like, at this, I buy it, you tell me say at this cost, so the change, right? And she said, no, you give me whatever, you give me whatever. So I say, that's what I give you. And then she said to me, say, yes, because we only have how much at this in the shop, so I'm 100% sure. Say, this the money they give me, I can't even ask. She said, this other worker. And the worker come and I swear for her to her. So me see camera in there, so I say, run the camera, come and know, say, I know that, let me give you. She say, the boss doesn't live out here and she's the only one that can run the camera and I'm going to have to call her and blah 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 and whatever. So me now make up my mind, cause I go there now, I have I think the 3 o'clock not sir that I say if I miss the bus, I go miss the bus, cause I nah make this go like that day. And I think say in a fear head too, she go say I go just walk off and make it go on, so I don't miss the bus. So I say I have time, I can't wait, and I'm sitting there. Quick, she grew on her back, and then come back with my money and talk about so the person run the camera and she apologized. Yeah, she still say whatever, either the 5,000 or the 2,000. But they actually give her, guys, she not gonna run no freaking camera, cause you could have just walk around this and walk come back and you run the camera so quick. No, you there try to rob me, a piece of shit. You there try to rob me. You think say you did not go like that day because I'm a boss you catch you think say me just a gun me. Yeah, like the world have some disgusting people now. I'm disgusting, dishonest people. And like when you do things like that, when you don't prosper in the end. So if you know say you're somebody where I do them shit, they're like when you need to stop. So freaking disgusting. Promise now, so I'm not rant no more. I can wash my clothes. Yeah. I wash my clothes. Guys, I put my clothes for wash. I'm gonna cool down a little. Yeah, I'm cool down. I walk down my favorite spots. Can y'all guess where that is? We're going by the beach. Like I love go down at the beach, but before that, man, make a quick little stop and put me power bank for charge. Yeah. The ball plate just fly away again. Oh, I have something where more of it try together. Like my little cousin come on, she give me this something. And I tell her no why yet until I reach. But she give me it a while now to try. I'm saying I go try it on camera. So yeah, today is the day, and I think that the beach is the most fitting place to try what I'm gonna try on the same seat. But I'm plugging in my battery pack. Give me a sec. I'm gonna back over the little plant where I have the whole bug them where fly around. Oh yeah, one little socket there right there. So I'm gonna plug my phone in there. Not phone, power bank. I love my power bank, guys. Yeah, so nice. I'm glad somebody did buy it, even though storm did done, cause come in handy. Hey, girl, I feel use. Yeah, so stay right here. You gonna stay right here for the rest of the evening. Oh, hopefully I'm not sure no. Hopefully not see it. If you want me to watch over this editing, I realize say it's show, I will cut it out. Yeah. But I'll go down at the beach. Why this shake up? I hope my phone will drop out, you know. I'm gonna stop try to look. Wait there. I hide it. I try to hide it in my clothes. Hopefully I not broke it up. I see divers out there. There's somebody in the water. Let me see if I can show you before I go down there. 1 sec. Wait for it. Yeah. Y'all see the person? And I think it's how much persons out there? It's 2. So somebody did it, so wait. Let me pick them up first. Wait. Let me see them again. Hold on there. You know, easy to spot when I look actually like in my camera, but if I look out like that, then we can't see. I wonder what they're diving for. Anyways, let's go, guys. And my head is something good, so I can't see it at all. They're on yourself. I have to be patient. Ooh, I love down here. Down here is just so peaceful and nice and cool and breezy. Yeah. My God. Set up this little tripod stand, and then you can see what that's about, and so we can try together. Give me a sec, guys. One of the things I'm gonna try. So hint, it's a snack. I'm gonna give you another hint and maybe up top. Maybe say down here, so like this spot, this area, the beach would be very fitting for the type of snack we're gonna try for the first time. What y'all think? Is it this cheers? No. I'm not a sense in no and this. It's not that. Because none of this on this in my head the snack. It's this right here. So this, it's I'm sure no. It's this right here. So it's roasted seaweed snack and it has sea salt on it. Yeah. I've never tried seaweed snack before. I've never tried any type of seaweed at all. Yeah, this is gonna be my first time. And my cousin Kamaya, yeah, put me on to this. She said it's nice. You can eat it with all different type of things. I actually get a pack of them. I just take out one of them to bring it with me today. Them eat it. Well, she did buy it in Atlanta. My cousin them live in Atlanta. Them whenever them on video call with them eat it like say, and the best thing in the world. So let's try it and see. I'm going to give them an honest opinion. Honest opinion. What? Kinda look like a bit weird. I'm gonna come up close and show you. Yeah, I don't want it forward. So yeah. So what we do? Whee! Guys, one blow away. One blow away going down there, so it's so pretty talking in the water so the fishes can get it. So yeah, you eat this, guys. It's like I don't even know what it smells like. And then I see one little pack of something at the bottom part. Silica gel. Okay. I'm kind of scared. I've never seen a snack like this before. Look there. It smells like walnut. I don't think I like this. Guys, I don't think I like this. This is not for me. Maybe it's an acquired taste. Maybe I like licorice, but I don't know. Yeah, maybe I bite one little piece. Alright, so first it did smell like the walnut. Now it smells fishy. Tastes fishy. Tastes like a weird fish. Come on, I don't think I like this. I don't think I'm enjoying this. I don't think I can eat no more of this here. Maybe it's an acquired taste, I don't know. If you guys have tried this before, let me know what you think about it. I don't think I can eat no more, like I would be torturing myself. Yeah. And it's kind of a little oily. I don't know, but my cousin say you can eat it with different stuff, but yeah, I don't know. Maybe if I grew up and eat it, maybe that would be different, but not my thing. So the rest of them I'm have on my yard. I think I'm gonna eat them. Luckily I need my cheers, so I can take out this taste out of my mouth. Yeah. I love it. As my grandfather would say, if you don't like something, I say, you're not lively, you're not lively. You're not lively at all. That's what I think though. If you guys want to try it, you can do that. But yeah, I love it. I lively. Yeah. Now this. Cheers. Now this tastes good. Yeah. This tastes good. We're going to throw some of this in the water. Maybe the fish never want it. But nah. No. How much would I give it out of 10? Guys, all if me da starve, I don't want to eat this. 0 out of 10. I'm sorry, come on, y'all. This is your thing, girl, not my thing. Send another snack for me. Send something else. Send some of the pork chips. I love those. Send some of that. I know I love fruits. Send me some grapes, some cherries, some strawberries, some raspberries. Yeah. That's more my kind of thing. I could have sleep down here. I'll throw them into the water. We're feeding the fishes, okay? I'm showing them. Bring the camera closer. Don't fall in a hole. There's so much pieces. Yeah, the fish's belly will be full today. I'll bring up this when I finish. Smells still left from my hand. I guess the person for what they do way out right over here to now. One day I want to learn to swim like really good so I can do them something. I'm not swimming in boat. I think I can go dive and all kind of something like that. Guys, look there. The plane just took off. My father plane. My father plane. I remember when I used to say them something when I was in the basic school. Yeah, I caught it. Yeah. Let's go to the other side. Look, wait. Jellies and jellies and jellies and jellies and jellies. I mean alone always have a friend when I walk on the jelly tree, so one of them are dropping in my head. There's another jelly tree over here. This one have green colored jellies. These are the orange ones. Yeah. The other side. Where can I set this up? Let's set it up. see how high the water be? Sometimes the water come like way up. Should I go in the water, guys? I'm tempted. Now we're going to roll up my pants. Let's go. Well, I feel like say my pants still are get wet. Guys, my pants still get wet. Like the water they way up on my legs. Way above my knee. Why am I left my shears over there so? Guys, let's hope some pants dry by the time we're ready to go my yard. Like, let me show you. Wait. Show you how soak it. Look there. The water come all the way up here, so all the way. Look there. Right under my ass. Look how far the water come. Right now, sir. I'm going out the water in a pants already, you know, and roll up my foot, but it never come this far before. My gosh, like the water really rise high up. When I roll down my pants with that, the water they feel so good, like really good. Next time, I bring one change of clothes. So I can swim while I'm something in my wash. I roll on my pants with and let us hope and pray. So my pants dry before I go into the people in taxi next thing they don't want to carry me. Come pants wet, man. That's all. But it was worth it. It was well worth it. I would do it again. After last week, I'm going in water though. Last week with me they wear shorts. You know, so I'm going back up at top. I feel like say, me I'll get tempted to go back in the water. I need to make my clothes dry. Come on now. Oh, let me go take up my snack paper because I don't want to litter. Look there. Look there. I feel like one bad picnic as usual. I not see the snack paper. What the hell? Let blow go. I don't want to be one of those. Oh, I can see it on the ground. Sit there. Yeah, you see something coming on me if you go in the water over that side of it, so really and truly it will go up. Close look. Naji. I'm definitely going to bring or wear shorts next week. I'm gonna go further into the water. I feel really good. This makes for good exercise. Say cheese. Say seaweed. Say see it there. Yeah. If you no longer try it, yeah. When you try it and tell me what you think. But it ain't for me. Another plant. Plants, please hurry and dry. Please. I'ma feel like say back of my pants white up, you know. Because I'm sitting on the wall and they have the whitewash thing upon it. If I wipe me up. Yeah. More beautiful plants. I don't know what type of plant is that, but it's so pretty. And then we have the grape tree, of course. I love sea grape. What else we have? We have another jelly tree, coconut tree. And then guys, we have the coconut having liquid water. And I get a little tour. Have we ever been to this corner before? No, we have not. It has an almond tree. In Jamaica, we say almond tree. Yeah. Then we have what's over here. Well, I can make out bougainvillea tree. You know them tree they would up and maca we drink up in your foot here. How much of them drink up in my foot when I was younger? Oh, I left my chairs and the snack. Let's turn back. Want some water now. See what else? What else? I don't know what these are. Some bush something. What else? Wait. Boy. So beautiful. Take a peek, Nigeria. Let me put this down. We can sit right here and put our feet in the pool just a sec. Oi. I'm back. I'm back. Anyway, so the machine are full up. So my clothes can rinse. My full them bottles there in the meantime. In the interim. Please pants dry. Please, 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 please. I'm gonna wash my hair this week. But I do need to buy another gel. Oh my gosh, guys, me just disturbed them. Me just disturbed the ball plate. Them really and truly never know to the end of that tree. I'm gonna move very quiet. I'm sorry, birdies. I'm so sorry. Let's drop these bottles. Drop them bottles. Drop them bottles. Ball plates are so beautiful and them taste good too. Beautiful and tasty. I left the bottles in right as them and stay. There's no necessary me carry them down there so and then me if I walk carry them back out. That don't make sense, I stay right there. Is that another plane right here? Is it? Take off shoes and sit by the poolside. Oh my gosh. Yes, sir. I'm still gonna put my pants in the water. Like, and all like in the water, but I still come warm it to me. Like, okay. Still prioritize in the water. Take them. I must be a water baby. Yeah. That explains it. I love water so much. Yeah, must be a water baby. Wanna please, taxi driver, wanna make me still come around and carry so I can get me out of here. I never mean to wet up my clothes. Yeah. I never mean to do it, I was just tempted. I just gotta chill right here, so now guys, coming out 1 million and one things to do today. I just gotta chill right here, so just relax. Peace. Why I feel like I want to chuck off in the water? I can't over there, man. And then even if I'm supposed to take out like one shorts out of my clothes, then this is still one body blows. So this part would have wet up. So I'm gonna have to change my blouse too. Sure. Next time, next week, I'm in the water, I'm in the pool, I'm in the sea. Yeah. Nothing gonna stop me. And next week, I come well prepared. Because I feel like I get back water and electricity, you know. Because I know GPS not even come look on the pole or brought down. Like the reason I'm gonna get back electricity, because the area I get electricity from, the GPS pole down, I'll know, they're not gonna look on it. So if that they not fix, yeah. Now I get back light, you know. I didn't know say this long still, because if it barely did take me like 1 month and this hurricane is so bad. So come next time I get back electricity until the new year. You know who this bun? The fact say when I have electricity, my grandfather. Grandfather complain about it every day. Every single day. It's like him so miserable. Like me I'm managing but him seems so miserable without it. And I guess because he can't listen to no 7 o'clock news or in radio or them something. Yeah. And this come late with his 6. Guys, I'm gonna end the video here, alright? Because now I'm just gonna chill. I have some book. I'm gonna do some little writing and just chill out. Bye.
Call me on now.